Crunch overload! If you've been looking for the ultimate bakery-style almond honey crunch bar, you found it. Before we dive into the science of the snap, make sure to subscribe and like this video to join our culinary community. Precision is key. We start by toasting our almonds at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 8 to 10 minutes. We are looking for a light Maillard reaction. This develops the essential nutty oils without burning the delicate skins. This is the most critical technical step. We are heating 200 milliliters of honey to the softball stage, which is 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Any lower, and your bars will be sticky. Any higher, and they will be too hard to bite. Comment below if you use a digital or analog thermometer. Work quickly but gently. Fold the hot honey into your 150 grams of cereal and those warm almonds. You want every single grain coated, but don't crush the cereal. We need those air pockets for the signature crunch. If you're finding these steps helpful, hit that like button. Transfer to an 8 by 8 inch lined pan. Use a greased spatula to press firmly. Structural integrity depends on how well you pack these layers. Once leveled, move this to a 40-degree refrigerator for 45 minutes to set the honey matrix. Now for the finish. We are tempering 200 grams of dark chocolate. Melt it carefully and bring it down to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a professional gloss and a snap that matches the interior crunch. Share this video with a friend who loves chocolate. Pour that tempered chocolate over your chilled base. The temperature differential will help the chocolate set quickly. Give it a final 20-minute chill. Precision and timing prevents the chocolate from blooming or turning gray. Don't cut these into perfect squares. Break them into rustic shards to show off those toasted almonds. Look at that texture. It's a nutty, crispy explosion in every single bite. You've just mastered the Almond Honey Crunch Bar. Comment your progress and let me know what bakery classic you want to see next. Subscribe right now and share this recipe to help our channel grow. See you in the next lesson.